Fill in the blank with the correct word from the word boxes below. Many Americans stood in blank for food during the Great Depression. Bread lines, coffee chains, dust bowls, grocery groupings. Fill in the blank with the correct word from the word boxes below. People who were left homeless often lived in shanty towns called blank. Hoovervilles, Depression cities, sad suburbs, homeless hometowns. Decide if the statement below is true or false. If the statement is false, please correct the highlighted word to make the statement true. Men who left their families in search of work and traveled around the country were called hobos. True, false. How were families impacted by the Great Depression? Choose all that are correct. A. Men left their families in search of jobs. B. Women sewed their own clothing and tried to save food. C. Children and teenagers lacked nutrition and education. D. People put off their goals, including taking care of their physical and mental health. What region of the country was hit hard by drought in the 1930s? A. The East, B. The South, C. The Midwest. Fill in the blank with the correct word from the word boxes below. Dust storms that created both geographic and human problems were called blank. The Great Plains, Hoovervilles, the Dust Bowl, the Great Depression. Decide if the statement is false. If the statement is false, please correct the highlighted word to make the statement true. Farmers from Oklahoma who left the Midwest for places west, like California, were called Okies. True, false. What was entertainment like during the 1930s in the Great Depression? You may use the audio option to record your answer. Use your own words.